Nana is taking no chances. Bread is absolutely a necessity. 3 slices, just in case someone wants to have second. Nana Christine, now shake.
Don't have it on too high, then you don't burn it before it's ready.
Nana Christine says that plates are a necessity.
Knives and forks are a must-have. When you're buttering bread, do it right to the edges. I always ask my diners, do they want red or brown sauce?
Can I have tomato ketchup, please?
Red. Table? We don't want much.
Exactly. Words of wisdom. Words from experience. As you can see, Nana Christine's refreshments are always compulsory.
Check the chips, give them a shuffle, turn the big one over, pop them back in.
Oh Nana, what's step 5?
Step 5 is get out of my kitchen!
Oh.
This is an opener. This is an essential in a kitchen.
Essential.
Stir in a clock. What do you call it? Clockwise motion.
Yeah.
1 plate per person. 3 people, 3 plates. This is protection in a kitchen. If you've cooked everything wrong and people throw it at you, you just go behind it.